Yo, what's going on, all my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes? It's your boy Will, and I'm about to do a ride along. I'm ride along with this fragrance right here. It is called I Am Trash, and this is one of those fragrances that's kind of a little weird as far as the scents and the following that it has. But I'm gonna rock out to it, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So, do my regular sprays. Here. It's a fresh kind of fragrance. And today it's supposed to be it's a little overcast, maybe raining. So it might work out pretty good. Oh, and right now it is 9:41 and let's see what the temperature is 76 degrees. Oh no, 72 degrees. All right. All right, roll out with me. Let's check it out. Hey, what's going on, folks? So I'm doing an update now. It is now, let's see, 12:12. If that time is coming is, and it is so overcast today. I'm trying to figure out what the weather is. The weather is 73 degrees. Yeah, 73 degrees. So still doing pretty good. It's kind of close to the skin, and it's not projecting greatly, but it smells pretty good. Still smell good. It's I'm not sure if I'm going to get like any major attention, but I do still smell it. I hear the birds flying over, but I'm outside. So yeah, that is the check-in for right now. Like again, it's 12 o'clock. It's been almost 2-3 hours. So yeah, I'll give you another check-in in a little bit. All right, roll with me. Alright folks, I am doing a check-in and why is my camera looking crazy? Alright, there we go. So it is now, let's see. It is 2:30, 2:23 and the weather is 71 degrees. I'm all over the place. But yeah, it's still going. So yeah, it still smells good. It's very close to the skin and not projecting highly. Very light. It's not a strong projecting fragrance, but it's a good smelling. So I'll keep rocking with it. I'm back in and I'm gonna wrap this up now. I actually was supposed to jump back in a little bit earlier because things just got real crazy today. But anyway, it is right now 5:14. The fragrance is pretty much gone. Well, now I won't say completely gone, but it's a skin scent. It's really light. But the basic only thing that I really kind of smell now is just kind of like a light a molecule, like almost like something that you would spray on top of another fragrance to kind of make it smell stronger. That's kind of what I'm getting. It's really light. I doubt anyone would smell me if they walk past me or anything like that. And it's like I said, it's 5:14 now, and the temperature Right now it's 69 degrees. So the temperature dropped a little bit. It got rainy outside. It was like really humid. So that probably did something to affect the fragrance a little bit. But for the most part, the whole time that I had the fragrance on, it was really close to the skin. It was not like anything that was jumping out. So this is something that would really be safe for work, or if you're going somewhere where you don't want to have a fragrance on that's not too intrusive. It kind of gives me the vibe of that fragrance. This is not a perfume. It's just almost kind of like a molecule, but it has different things in it. So you do smell different things in the fragrance when you're wearing it. So all that being said, oh, and also, like I said, it was 5:50. It's 5:15 now. It really kind of faded out and completely was gone. It got to where it is now, like maybe about 2 hours ago. So I should have jumped back in at like around 3. But like I said, running around doing a whole bunch of things. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the notes with this fragrance. I Am Trash, and the background on this fragrance, is that what they did was they wanted to make up a fragrance with a bunch of recycled, or what they would call upcycled material. So everything they used in this is something that was upcycled, meaning, you know, it was here before and they just recycled it or upcycled it, as they would say. So I'm gonna jump in with the notes, and the top notes are all, like I said, all these notes are upcycled. This is apple essence upcycled. So I'll just say it one time and I won't say it, keep saying it. And bitter orange, green tangerine, and then in the middle notes or heart notes, we have rose absolute, ISO E super, strawberry, and then in the base notes we have cedarwood atlas, and sandor, and Achiali wood in the base. So all those fragrance notes were upcycled. So, you know, they're not coming from the basic raw material. They're something that's, like I said, upcycled. So yeah, it's been a great fragrance, man. I like this fragrance. I just got this little small bottle, and for the amount of times that I will wear it, I probably wouldn't wear it enough to have a larger bottle. I've had this probably for maybe a couple of years, and I only had that little notch in it. So I'm trying not to buy, you know, huge bottles that I'm not going to use super often. If it's something that I'm just going to wear occasionally or situationally, I'd rather get something small. Especially this is something I can travel with. If I'm going on a trip, I can just pop it in my bag and, you know, roll out with it. But yeah, this is a nice fragrance. It has that floral kind of vibe to it. The strawberry in this, it's not like a super sweet strawberry. It's like more of like the strawberry leaf, and you're getting the strawberry afterwards. You know what I mean? It's not as super sweet. This is really great. It's a good fragrance. Good fragrance. If you want to get something different for the summertime, and this would probably work a lot better in the high heat when it's like maybe 90, 100 degrees outside. This will probably work a lot better. So yeah, that's what I rocked out to today. Thanks for hanging out with me, going along with this ride along. I am crazy interested about this company because they make so many artistic type of fragrances. Not a whole lot of fragrances that I will actually want to wear or I will want in my collection, but I am interested because of the artistry of it. But yeah, anyway, see your boy Will with the Will Report. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this ride along with I Am Trash. Play on words. Until next time, deuces.